I found these old videos. 2015. If you don't know about my journey, I started teaching group fitness back in 2011. I was much heavier. My body looked very, very different. I was about 60 pounds heavier. Just do like straight up cardio, but I had passion. I had like a fire in me, right? So I was determined to learn. I was determined to elevate and get better. And so one of the things that I did was I started to seek out mentors, coaches, people that were operating at a higher level than me, like like the pros, right? Like the veterans in the industry. And so I started to learn from them. So around 2015, I started teaching for a corporate gym where I was really lucky. Like there were some really solid trainers in there that kind of took me under their wing and started to teach me. So helped me to become a better instructor, a better teacher. But I found these videos of 2015. They're great. They're funny. They're charming in a way too. They're kind of inspiring actually to look back, see like I had such fire. I had such passion. Technique, not so great. Abs, not so great, right? But, and this is my mindset tip for you guys today. Looking back just gives me such joy and such pride. And I'll tell you why. Because progress is the ultimate prize. I'm going to say that again. Progress is the ultimate prize. I'm not trying to get to a destination. I'm not trying to get to like this ultimate goal and then I can just like relax. I want to just keep growing. And that's one of the reasons why I am like one of the happiest people I know. Is it because I'm driving a Ferrari and like I'm dating a celebrity? No. I make progress by continuously putting in the reps, continuously showing up, striving, learning from others, seeking out coaches and mentors, and trying to elevate just a little bit, right? I post a lot of transformation pics. I post a lot of videos from like 6 years ago, 5 years ago. I want you to see the process, right? As a coach, I want you to see that. I want you to see that nobody's like instant fit. It doesn't happen that way. If you're not willing to put in the time required to reach that optimal level, make progress, the time's going to pass anyway. What are you doing with your time, right? You can keep scrolling. You can keep sitting and scrolling and complaining. Or you can start taking action and start creating better.